How to add cinematic bars in CapCut PC. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create that widescreen movie-style effect easily. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, import your video and place it on the timeline. Now go to the Media tab, and from the library, import a black background, or you can use a black image. Drag it above your main video so it becomes an overlay. Make sure you're at the first frame, then right-click on the black clip and select Edit, then Freeze. Extend this frozen frame to match the full length of your video. Now, select the black layer and go to the Mask tab and add a mask. Choose the film strip mask, then adjust the size to create top and bottom bars. After that, click the Invert option to reverse the mask. This will create the cinematic bars effect. Preview your video to make sure everything looks clean and aligned. And that's it. That's how you can add cinematic bars in CapCut PC for a more professional film-style look.